Due to this such mining activities, what happens is that this ecology, the community, the ecosystem, as well as the environment gets disturbed, right? There will be definitely some impact of these mining activities. So the idea is, see, this mine doesn't belong to one person. This is the common property resource, However, one particular company, maybe the private sector company or the government sector company, is utilizing these resources in order to get benefit out of it. So they are generating a lot of revenue or the profit out of it. However, in that generation of revenue or the profit, they are damaging the existing ecosystem, livelihood, as well as the people's health are getting degraded due to this kind of activity, right? So here there is the issue of inequity is there. How can you disturb others' life for your benefit? This coal is getting exported to the Australia, or maybe from Chhattisgarh it is being exported to Rajasthan or some other area. But the people of that Chhattisgarh or that local people are getting impacted. That particular district people are getting impacted due to this mining activity. So there is the issue of inequity. So in order to tackle this inequity, in order to eliminate this inequity, what is this scheme is there? Under this scheme, what happens is that the mining company is mandated to pay certain amount out of their total royalty payment. Whatever, if they take this mining, they have to pay royalty to the state government. Royalty is a kind of tax to mine this particular resources. So certain percentage of that resources, certain percentage of that amount has to be paid, and that money will go to this trust. This is the trust which is headed by district collector. So this is the trust at the district level which have the membership from that particular panchayat. Sarpanch will also be there if it is a village. Sarpanch and the MLA, MPs and other will also be the member of this trust. They will create a trust. So that fund will go to this trust, and this district collector and that committee will be responsible in order to ensure the development of these people, ecology, their livelihood and their health. So this is a mechanism through which we ensure the development of it to compensate the negative impacts caused by the mining.